quick patch. You can buy it from Home Depot. I bought this product called Quick Patch, and it's designed to fill holes in your asphalt driveway or the road without the need for a heat gun or a fire or pounding down of a cold patch. You just mix it with water. I don't like to read instructions, so that's why I'm making this video for you. And if you read the instructions after watching all of this video, and I hope you watch it all the way to the end, you'll be able to do this repair really easy. I think this is a 3.5-gallon can, and the asphalt pellets come inside a plastic bag. You're going to need to cut the wire tie that's around it. I used a rake to remove the loose and crumbled debris inside the hole. Also, you want to make sure that you don't mix anything with moss that surrounds the outside of the hole as well. I dumped it out of the plastic bucket, and I wasn't able to hold my camera phone and dump out the product at the same time, so here I am just pushing it down lightly with my foot. So I leveled it out with a rake, and now I'm kind of stomping on it to even it out. You could use a pounder, and you can kind of tamp it in with your feet, or you can get a 2x4 and a sledgehammer and kind of bang it down. In a couple minutes, I'm going to add some water. It's latex based and it really hardens well. Make sure you take off your shoes when you walk in your house. Since the creation of this video, I'm going to show you an update. This patch has actually lasted throughout the winter. Late fall, I put these patches down. Look how good they are. Same stuff. It adheres really well, and it filled the hole just as good as, if not better than, a hot seal patch. Let's read the label and see what it has to say. It's stronger than conventional patches and can be applied in any weather condition. I certainly would not want to put it down in freezing rain, or if you knew it was going to freeze. Make sure it's at least 40 degrees. It just makes sense that once you add water, you don't want it to freeze and not bond to itself properly. It says it fully dries within 24 hours, but I have to be honest with you guys. I've used this before, and it sets up pretty hard even after a few hours. It says use a watering can, but I don't have one, so I'm using this small bucket, and I'm going to pour some of the water on it slowly as well. This product is for sale from Home Depot, but not during the winter months, unfortunately. And because this product is water-based, it activates and seals itself when you add H2O. And certainly don't overwater it. You have to use common sense. Okay, it's not going to freeze tonight, so I'm safe. And I'm going to leave the bucket here also, so when someone drives up in my driveway, they won't run over the patch. So try this product. It's called Quick Patch. You mix it with water. It does a great job very quickly for a great price. For Indie Tommy Tips, I'm Tommy. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate you very much.